In this video, I'll show you how to change time on a Fitbit using the Fitbit mobile app. Firstly, launch the Fitbit app on your mobile device and tap on the Today tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap your avatar in the top left corner of the screen to open your account settings. Scroll down, then select Advanced Settings. Depending on your current time zone settings, do one of the following. If Set Automatically is turned off, swipe the toggle button to the right to enable it. This will automatically set the time based on your location. If Set Automatically is on and the time is incorrect, swipe the toggle button to the left to turn it off. Manually select the correct time zone from the list below. On Android devices, the screen will display automatic time zone instead of set automatically, but the process to adjust the time is exactly the same. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.